Let's make easy garlands and a backdrop. Here I am using cotton cord and crepe paper. I cut 3 strings of cotton cord in 5 inches and attach them. Fold crepe paper 15 times and use a thread and needle with a knot at the end and pass it through. Attach these to the 3 ends of the cotton cord using thread and make a knot to secure. Fold pink crepe paper 20 times and pass it through the needle. Create one more set of crepe paper with 20 folds and pass it through the needle. Lastly, pass the parrot and tie a knot. Now twist all the paper folds to create beautiful flowers and a parrot hanging. To create the garlands, fold the paper as per the length of the garland you want to make. Keep measuring in between and twist the folds to create the garlands. Now attach the parrot hanging and the garlands together and tie the knot to create these beautiful garlands. Hang these garlands and create your style of backdrop for coming up festive season. Here is the final reveal of my version of these garlands. I have used these garlands to decorate my home for multiple occasions. Comment and let me know how you liked it.